Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Auntie T. For those of you who don't know me and for those of you who do, thank you for joining another wig review. Today's wig that I'll be reviewing today is a wig by Outre, so go ahead and watch me install the wig and then come back and I'll give my 2 cents of whether you should be picking this wig up. Let's go.
Hey miss, can I get your name? And last name ain't pain, but I'll buy you a drink. Yeah, I hit the hanky pank. I got a couple pesos sitting in my bank. And all night we've been hitting the town, putting drinks up for everyone who put us down. Pour a little more bourbon out, I turn heads when I'm swerving now. 40 hours on my John Deere, 40 hours on my John Deere. They can tell I ain't from round here, they can tell I ain't from round here. But I can hit the two-step better than the rest. Call me Lil Hank, bandana around my neck. 40 hours on my John Deere, they can tell I ain't from round here. Riding on a tractor, trying to attract her. She's a country girl trying to get her masters. She got a man, but he really ain't a factor. I'm the cowboy who's got her heart beating faster. And all night we've been hitting the town, putting drinks up for everyone who put us down. Pour a little more bourbon out, I turn heads when I'm swerving now. 40 hours on my John Deere, 40 hours on my John Deere. They can tell I ain't from round here, they can tell I ain't from round here. But I can hit the two-step better than the rest. Call me Lil Hank, bandana around my neck. 40 hours on my John Deere, they can tell I ain't from round here. Hey miss, can I get your name? And last name ain't pain, but I'll buy you a drink. Yeah, I hit the hanky pank. I got a couple pesos sitting in my bank. And all night we've been hitting the town, putting drinks up for everyone who put us down. Pour a little more bourbon out, I turn heads when I'm swerving now. 40 hours on my John Deere, 40 hours on my John Deere. They can tell I ain't from round here, they can tell I ain't from round here. But I can hit the two-step better than the rest. Call me Lil Hank, bandana around my neck. 40 hours on my John Deere, they can tell I ain't from round here. Riding on a tractor, trying to attract her. She's a country girl trying to get her masters. She got a man, but he really ain't a factor. I'm the cowboy who's got her heart beating faster. And all night we've been hitting the town, putting drinks up for everyone who put us down. Pour a little more bourbon out, I turn heads when I'm swerving now. 40 hours on my John Deere, 40 hours on my John Deere. They can tell I ain't from round here, they can tell I ain't from round here. But I can hit the two-step better than the rest. Call me Lil Hank, bandana around my neck. 40 hours on my John Deere, they can tell I ain't from round here. Hey miss, can I get your name? And last name ain't pain, but I'll buy you a drink. Yeah, I hit the hanky pank. I got a couple pesos sitting in my bank.
Now that you've watched me install the wig, let's go ahead and talk about some specs about the wig. But before we get into the specs, I just want to say a big old fat thank you to Sam's Beauty for sending me over this unit to review for you guys. I do appreciate that. And without further ado, let's get into my thoughts. This wig that I'll be reviewing today is by Outre in the style Harper. Harper is a synthetic layered wavy wig. It has a deluxe wide part frontal effect lace front. The length long, I think about 24 inches. I did cut off some of it. It was too long for me. I do have Harper in the color DR FF4 Hazelnut Honey. Harper has 80 transparent lace. Harper is heat safe up to 400 degrees. Harper has a frontal effect hairline, no plucking required. She does come with a redesigned comfort fit air to air contour, a deluxe wide lace band. It is a 2 by 5 inches. Does have baby hairs included, and that's about it. So now for my thoughts on Harper. Okay, so Harper is long. You know I don't like long hair. So Harper is long. I don't like long hair, so I did go ahead and cut off some of Harper just to make it through this review. But my thoughts on Harper, she ain't bigot friendly. She, in my opinion, she's not bigot friendly. I don't think I like Harper. Let's see. She's not bigot friendly. She tangles, she sheds, and she's not easy to put on. So I don't like Harper. I'm sorry, I don't. I was trying to find some good things about Harper, but I can't think of anything good. I had to cut layers in just to frame my face. She tangles like a lot. Lots of flyaways. She's not bigot friendly. She's very, very tight on my head. I don't know the size of my head, but honey child, I know it ain't that small. It is, whew, this unit is giving me a headache. Okay, so Harper, with that being said, girl, I'm gonna have to pass on you. But she's hot. So, oh, the good about Harper, the color. The color is amazing. So Harper, because your color is amazing, I'm gonna give you a 5.5, girl. 5.5 for Harper. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think down in the comment section about this unit. I don't like this unit. I give her a 5.5. I do love the color, but I had to do too much manipulation just to get it to look like this. The curls took too long. It wouldn't hold curls for me. I had to pin curl it, then do hairspray. The curls it came with, as soon as I ran my fingers through it, that dropped. So honestly, I would not recommend Harper. But hey, if you want to go ahead and give it a try, honey, that's your coins. You do what you want with your money. I would not recommend Harper. But again, we all have a different opinion. So without further ado, go ahead and like the video, share the video, and I'll see you the next week. Bye.